basket of clothes. Look at it. Look at it. See ironing. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel, guys. This is happiness, and guys, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, guys. Share, comment, please, guys. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I'm going to share with you guys today how I wash, iron, fold, hang for my Arab family, guys. Catch you guys later. man. It's not easy, oh, but oh, thank God, we have no choice for now, guys. Please, guys, subscribe, guys, subscribe to my channel, please, guys. Promote to your sister, please. I'm begging you, guys. Please subscribe. So let me show you guys how we do it here. Although it's not easy, but we have no choice. With God, all things are possible. This is what we are doing here. Let me show you guys the work. This is 2 baskets of clothes only for one day. 2 baskets of clothes. Look at it. See ironing. This is not easy. Oh, we'll ask for strength to continue the work until the day will be free. Everybody will go home. It's not easy. Now I'm about to fold. After I finish folding, I'll iron. I just finished washing and I pack it every blessed day. 2 baskets of clothes every blessed day. Well, we thank God, guys. Thank God. So guys, subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Let me do my work. Oh my God, it's not easy, honestly speaking. Now I'm just folding. After folding iron, I just finished washing. See, men tie wrapper. Oh, Africa, where we came from, women tie wrapper. Where we are working, men tie wrapper, not women. Men tie wrapper. Women don't even tie wrapper. They just put on their gown. But here, it's men that tie wrapper. Men put on wrapper. When I come here, I see this kind of thing. I was like, where does this happen? For men to put on wrapper? They say, yes, that is their culture. I say, well, people with their different cultures. Thank you guys for joining me to fold and iron. So let's iron. I'm so sorry, you guys be hearing small noise here. My AC is on. The kind of AC I have here make noise. It's not rich man AC, and it's not rich woman AC. My AC is for people like our level. So guys, and the weather is hot. There's no way I can iron without putting on AC. You know what I mean? Yeah. You guys should come and join me to iron clothes. This is how we roll. We roll. My clothes not bad. Oh my God. Her place is free. In any situation you find yourself, be happy. That is my name. It's not permanent, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.